afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. This is my report about crimes against public security. Article 275 to 281. Article 275, abandonment of person in danger and abandonment of one's own victim. Definition niya is failing to render it to any person he finds in an uninhabited place who is injured or in danger of death. Which is, for example, scenario is ako nga person nga lakaw sa public places, tapos nakita ko tao nga nasamdan, tapos gatinga samot yun, wala na ko siya tabangi kay tungod labag sa kong kalooban, which is katong nga victim is namatay, which is ako nga wala mitabang is malayable ko ano nga crime nga article 275. Ang penalty is aresto mayor. Elements: A. The place is not inhabited. Ang lugar sa pahitabo is wala sa balay. Letter B. The accused found there a person wounded or in danger of dying. Ang offender is nakita og person nga samdan or gatinga. Letter C. The accused can render assistance without detriment to himself, which is ang offender is wala niya tabangi kay tungod labag sa iyang kalooban. Letter D. The accused fails to render assistance, which is di siya gusto mo tabang kay tungod basin maapektuhan ang iyang kaugalingon. Article 276, abandoning a minor. Iyang definition is should be imposed upon anyone who should abandon a child under 7 years age, the custody of which is incumbent upon him. For example, scenario is ako sa ako ka parents, tapos ako ang anak is akong i-abandon, ipatiman ako sa laing tao, which is liable ko ani nga crime nga article 276. Ang penalty is aresto mayor. Fine is 500. Elements: number 1, that the offender has the custody of a child, which is ang offender is parents sa bata. Number 2, that the child is under 7 years of age, which is ang bata is 7 years age below. Number 3, that he abandons a child, which is ang offender is i-abandon niya ang iyang anak. Number 4, that he has no intent to kill the child when the latter is abandoned, which is ang offender is dili niya intent nga patiyo ng bata, is ang iyalang purpose is pag-abandon.